Hey guys! In today's video, I will show you when a Discord account has been made. It is very easy. I will show you how to check your account and someone else. This should be a quick video since it is easy. So if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. So you have to be on the Discord and you need the app to be downloaded. And what you are going to do is go to the settings and you want to disable the streamer mode. So go in here and disable this. Now go to the advanced section and you have to toggle on this developer mode and escape the settings. Now that the developer's tool is on, you can check every account now. For example, I will check my friend. So right click in here and copy the ID. And we have to go to the browser and search for discord.id. Just paste the ID in here so we can check the account. And what we will see here is the account, the ID, and of course, when was it created. So let's try it on my account. Let's go here and copy my ID and paste it again on the site. And you can see here my details. You can do this to any accounts you see, so feel free to check it right here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.